All right, what's up, guys? It's Mr. Adams. Coming to you live from school here. Wearing my sweatshirt. Alrighty. Okay. What I want you to do today, hopefully it's going to go quick. It shouldn't take much time, but kind of a little check. I want you to make a table, and I want each table row to be a color of the rainbow. Okay, so I actually looked up the colors of the rainbow. You might memorize them, but I actually just looked them up. Okay, so first one's red. I made it red. Second one's orange, so on and so forth. Okay? So you can do that. That's not too bad. Alrighty. Okay? Yellow, red, orange, whatever. All right, I'm going to give you 2 hints. I'm not going to tell you all how to do it. Maybe 3 hints, I guess. I'm going to give you 3. Okay? First hint is I can make each table, if you guys remember, I'm going to do inline style today. So inline style, I could use my style sheet, but in this case, it might be just as easy to do inline style. So for instance, if I wanted to do an H1 here, H1, I can say style equals background color hot pink. Okay? So I can do that. And it just let me do it without doing any quotes. So I think we don't need to worry about quotes. We'll see in a second here. Because it typed it in there and let me do it. So rainbow. So make sure I close my H1. All right. I'm going to run it. And there it is. Now, technically we could do this 2 steps faster because you could do this without making a table because I could just make the background color of each one a different one. But let's go ahead and do it a table. It is all of 2 extra lines of code. Well, I guess maybe 4 extra lines. Okay. So that is inline style. All right. Okay. Here, my table, I want my table to be the whole width. So I'm going to do inline style for my table. Notice here, it has the quotes. I wonder if I need the quotes. So you used to need the quotes back, so you probably need a semicolon at the end. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it does. So you don't really need the quotes, I guess. So I put the semicolon at the end, though. All right, you do need the borders around the 1, I bet, though, because that's like old school. Huh? I don't know. Who knows? Okay, so recall to make a table. You say table row. Inside the table, you have table data in this case, or table header. It doesn't really matter for this one. Table header is going to make a bold in the middle. And so you could say first row. Okay? And then we want to close it. All right, now we found out in my cohort B that Replit still works at school, it's just this window doesn't work. So use Replit, don't use CodePen, all right? All right, so this is how I make a table row, right? Okay, so if I run this now I have a first row. There's a table row. I explained you can add inline style, so you can figure that out. That's essentially the assignment today, and then it's a bunch of cut and paste. All right, so get rid of that. Oh, something just flew in my eye. Okay, yeah, get rid of that. And then you're going to give me just this URL. So when you open it up on its own page, it has this nice happy URL. You're going to copy that, and then you're going to put it in there. Okay? All right. Yeah. Let me know if you got questions. All right. Bye.